Welcome back to the car Riftar. Today we're diving deep into one of the biggest, boldest and most iconic full-size SUVs on the market, the 2026 Chevrolet Suburban. This isn't just a family hauler or a weekend road tripper. This is an American institution reinvented once again for the modern era. The Suburban has been a staple of the Chevrolet lineup since 1935. That's over 90 years of uninterrupted production, making it the longest-running automotive nameplate in the world. And in 2026 it's not just surviving, it's thriving. In this review we're covering every inch of this full-size beast: performance, design, interior tech, and what really sets it apart in a crowded SUV segment. So buckle up, let's take a ride. From the outside, the 2026 Chevrolet Suburban is instantly recognizable, but that doesn't mean it hasn't evolved. The front fascia now carries a more sculpted, athletic appearance with slimmer LED headlights that merge into a broader and more pronounced grille. The signature bowtie logo sits proudly in the center, flanked by bold chrome or black accents depending on your trim. This year's design language leans into modern minimalism while preserving the rugged DNA that Suburban fans love. The shoulder lines are taut and muscular, emphasizing its sheer size without feeling bloated. Wheel options range from 18-inch alloys to massive 24-inch rollers on the high country trim with new finishes that scream sophistication. Step inside the 2026 Suburban and you're greeted by a completely reimagined cabin that balances utility with luxury. Soft touch materials dominate the dash, along with real wood or brushed aluminum accents on upper trims. Front and center is a massive 17.7-inch diagonal infotainment display, now powered by Chevy's latest Google built-in system. It's fast, intuitive, and integrates seamlessly with voice controls. Beside it, an 11-inch digital driver display offers customizable layouts for navigation, vehicle data, and safety alerts. Second-row captain's chairs offer heating, optional ventilation, and independent climate zones, and with best-in-class rear legroom and flat folding third-row seats, the Suburban easily flips from passenger carrier to cargo king. Need to haul? You've got over 144 cubic feet of max cargo space. That's nearly the size of a New York City apartment. Under the hood, because the 2026 Suburban gives you three potent engine choices, each suited to a different kind of driver. 5.3L V8 standard on most trims. This proven workhorse delivers 355 horsepower and 383 lb-ft of torque. 6.2L V8 available on RST Performance and High Country. It bumps output to 420 horsepower and 460 lb-ft with magnetic ride control for a buttery smooth drive. 3.0L Duramax turbo diesel returning for 2026 with refinements, offering 305 horsepower and 495 lb-ft of torque. This one's your choice if you crave fuel economy and towing torque. All engines are mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission tuned for smooth shifts and max efficiency. 4-wheel drive is available across the board, and with the max trailering package the Suburban can tow up to 8,300 pounds. Whether it's a camper, boat, or trailer full of toys, this SUV can handle it all. The updated chassis tuning means the 2026 model feels more planted in corners and more forgiving over rough pavement. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising on the interstate, the Suburban feels calm, collected, and composed. Upper trims and options unlock Super Cruise, GM's semi-autonomous hands-free driving system for compatible highways. Paired with adaptive cruise control and enhanced lane centering, long-distance drives have never felt this relaxed. If you're a big family needing real third-row space, a business looking for reliable fleet vehicles, or an adventurer who needs a dependable workhorse, the Suburban should be at the top of your list. The 2026 update doesn't revolutionize the formula, it perfects it. It's Chevy's most advanced Suburban yet, and it proves that tradition and innovation don't have to be opposites. That wraps up our full review of the 2026 Chevrolet Suburban. Whether you're a longtime fan or new to the name, this SUV delivers the full package and then some. Let us know in the comments, is the Suburban still the gold standard? Would you go for the diesel, the V8, or the off-road ready Z71? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth car content, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. We've got more exciting reviews coming your way every week.